Page 2. Excerpt from recent and new EAAC, AMCC, MCEO-GA transmission, December 12, 2016. Translated by Iesha Ashayana Arias. The four transposition platforms and coordinate point interface and pass-through potential. Definition. Transposition platforms are dormant transplanial spacetime continua that come into activation through progressive accretion of the frequencies inherent to their corresponding emancipation and transposition passages. When fully activated, transposition platforms function as a temporary transplanial spacetime continua that span between domains in external creation and eternal internal first creation D-planes. Each transposition platform connects specific locations in external creation to specific locations in eternal internal first creation through specifically calibrated transplanial coordinate points that interface through the emancipation and transposition passages. Activated transposition platforms allow temporary direct interface between external creation domains and their corresponding eternal internal first creation D-planes domain counterparts, as both locational coordinates are brought together within the temporary common Kochared coordinate point of the transposition platform spacetime continuum. FYI, for your information, domain counterparts. The domain counterparts of our external creation domain are the eternal internal first creation D-planes domains that carry the EFIMA crystal synchron wave first eternal authentic identity encryption, from which the external domain originally outstepped through the Trentine window from the external internal first creation D-planes to emerge into external creation expression. For the period of time in which the transposition platforms are active and open, the external creation domain and its eternal internal first creation D-plane domain counterpart coexist within the same spacetime continuum, the common Kochared coordinate point of the transposition platform transplanial spacetime continuum. The four transposition platforms. There are four transposition platforms that span horizontally between domains in external creation and eternal internal first creation D-planes, the Yati planes. The four transposition platforms are: number 1, the core caverns transposition platform 1 connects to Pan-Clara spectra D-planes A of Li2, median Earth, the Silver Victory Seed, and the Panaki Passage 1. Number 2, the reservoirs transposition platform 2 connect to Panacoleta spectra D-plane A of Le2, Arion Earth, the Golden Silver Victory Seed, and the Crystal Bridge Passage 2. Number 3, the Rings transposition platform 3 connects to Panacolera spectra D-planes A of Lila, Aria Earth, the Platinum Victory Seed, and the Pinnacle Passage 3. Number 4, the Rays transposition platform 4 connects to ELF LUV field spectra D-planes A of Troa, Aria Sun 8, the Ephemera Freedom Seed, and the Ephia Passage 4. Each of the four transposition platforms have specific geographical and locational coordinates, both within external creation and Earth's non-vertical structure, equals vertical maps from Earth's core up through Earth's magnetosphere. Reference MCO Freedom Teaching Series 1999 to May 2012. And within the eternal internal, first creation D-planes Earth's non-vertical structure, equals D-planes Earth vertical maps from core up through corona, sphere and beyond. Note: corona is an aura of plasma surrounding suns and stars. Reference Google. End of page 2.